Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around this Audi Q7, then I'll take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. First thing is, it's an absolutely beautiful car inside and outside. It's mint outside. It was clean the other day. Unfortunately, we've had this rain that's covered it in a layer of dust, and I couldn't wash it again this morning because it's an early start for me. And to be honest, I don't like washing cars, so you'll have to take it from me. It's absolutely mint. It's a lovely, lovely car. It's an Audi Q7 3 litre TDI S line Plus Tiptronic, and it's the Quattro. It's 2014 on a 14 plate. The reg you see on the car isn't coming with the car. That's a private plate. The car has done 50,211 miles. It has a full service history. Fuel economy: urban 32.8 miles per gallon, extra urban 42.2 miles per gallon, and combined is 38.2 miles per gallon. 0 to 60 time of 7.8 seconds, a top speed of 135 miles per hour out of a 242 brake horsepower 24 valve engine. Road tax is pretty cheap too. 12 months £300, 6 months is £165. So we've got two keys here, and it always throws me. The ignition lock is on the left hand side of the steering wheel and not where you'd expect it to be there. As I say, beautiful car, great service history. Now it's belonged to, we sourced it for them. It's belonged to the owner of Northwest Auto Care. They do all our servicing and repairs and so on, and MOTs, and I've got to say they're pretty strict with us, and we don't mind that because at least we know the cars are going to be right when they go out. Having said that, they're pretty strict with themselves as well regarding tidiness and cleanliness in the workshop, and also the same with the vehicle. This car, before it goes out, will have a full service. It's not long had disc and pads all round, and he's also got 4 brand new tyres to put on the car, and I'll cut a picture in there. They're in the workshop waiting to be fitted. The reason we haven't fitted them first is he's going to have the wheels refurbed before he sells it. So this is going to be the best Audi Q7 you can get for your money. I'm pretty certain of it. Now it's a massive car. It's a 7-seater. We've also got the panoramic roof, which is a great accessory. There's a shade band that comes over, and when I was trying to find the shade band before, and this is bearing in mind that we've had several of these and I've used them myself, I've just found out that there's actually a switch here which tilts up the back sunroof. So there's kind of a big full panel sunroof here that tilts and slides backwards, and then there's another sunroof over the 6th and 7th seat which comes out of the floor, and this switch tilts that one up. So that's, you know, you learn something new every day, don't you? Also, you look at it and think, big 7-seater, massive car. It's going to be too big for me to drive. It's going to be hard to park, and it's this, that, and the other. But if I tell you the lady who normally drives this is about yay big, and she seems to drive it all right. I see her nipping about all over the place, and narrow road. Here we go. You've got reversing camera there. Easy enough to do. So it's got the 5 right, now I've knocked that phone call off. Yeah, it's got the 5 triple spoke alloys. As I say, those will be refurbished. We've got automatic paddle shift. You've got here, if you click car there, you can see there you can alter the suspension, off-road, comfort, auto, dynamic. So we'll just select auto there. You've got sat nav, like so, telephone, it's Bluetooth hands-free, and it's got the Audi MMI audio system, so you've got audio streaming too. We've got here electric seats. There you go. They're the sports seats, they're S-line embossed. You've got this panel at the front here, which is kind of thigh support, and you can adjust the actual length of the seat as well as the rake. It is a really, really nice car. We've got cruise control, multifunction, height and reach adjustable steering wheel. It's got my camera gear in and a load of the owner's gear as well, because we don't actually get it till next week. But I wanted to get it on the website while we had chance, and before it went to have the wheels done. So there we go. Nice and smooth. There we go. So you can knock it across like so, the gear selector, and change up and down using the selector. Or you've got the paddle shift here, down and up. Here we've got cruise control, and I'll try and remember to show you that. Heated seats, got power folding door mirrors. I'm not sure whether they'll fold down at this speed, but let's see. No, they won't. But they will when we slow down to a sensible, well, not sensible, when we stop, they fold in. It's one of the things with Audis, especially the Quattros, is you certainly feel like you can, you feel like you're never going to lose control. The car feels really planted on the road. You can feel everything through the steering wheel. So John's fitted new discs and pads, so brakes are perfect, no wobbles. You can also put it in sport as well. Just knock that back and there you go. Holds it in gear longer, sharpens the response of the accelerator. But I can't see you using it, to be honest. Got xenon headlamps, headlamp wash or high pressure headlamp wash. Got the aluminium roof bars, the aluminium contoured Audi side steps. It's just a lovely car. Let me just see. I was only in an Audi the other day and I can't remember how to switch the cruise control on, whether you knock the end in or pull it towards you. I think you pull it towards you. Let's just see. I pull that towards me. Has it done anything? Right, so you switch it on, pulling it towards you, and then you click the end to set the speed. We'll do that when we get on the motorway. I wonder how many lanes he wants. Nice steering wheel, perforated leather. You've got your audio controls, and you can also switch the nav on. So let's just get, oh, I'm already at 70. That's bad. So we'll just click cruise control at 70 miles an hour. Make sure we're in top gear, and we're doing 1750 revs at 70 miles an hour. Really quiet, really smooth. As I say, the 6 and 7 seats in the back that fold up. Now I've got a live chat. It never stops. But you can sit there all day and nothing happens. As soon as I switch the camera on, I get phone calls, live chats, you name it. Still, I'd be annoyed if we weren't busy, and we're still in lockdown, and still plenty of business about. So anyway, we will be adhering to the social distancing rules. You'll probably only see me on a video. John deals with the customers. He's a lot better with people than I am. If you want to buy the vehicle, it's just a matter of leaving a deposit. We'll have the car ready. Come and see us, come to pick it up, have a drive in it. If you don't like it, we'll give you your deposit back. If you do, you'll be able to take the vehicle away the same day. We can do everything, deal wise. We can do everything over the internet, over the phone, whatever you want. We've got live chat on the website. You can get a part exchange price on our website, a finance quote. You can even fill the finance proposal form and get accepted off our website. There's a 20-30 minute video that's shot in 4K, and there's probably 70 or 80 photos as well. So if any of you message us asking for more photos, you won't get a reply. If you can't see it from the video, it ain't worth seeing it. Right, okay, back to the car. What else we got? I'll try and remember to show you the power folding door mirrors, but you know what happens, they fold in electrically, you don't have to touch them. The height and reach adjustable steering wheel, I need to demonstrate, and when I try and demonstrate it, normally these lights are on red and I have to wait here for ages, but whenever I need to do something, they change to green straight away and I go straight through. So we'll see what happens here with this, especially with this load of lorries. So here we go. Are we going to be able to do it? So there we go. We've managed it. Height and reach adjustable steering wheel just. Here we go. We'll just give it some gas around this bend. Show you it's the road holding and handling for the size of the vehicle. It's pretty good. Okay, now a live chat off Auto Trader. So we've got one on our website with Talk 2 and one off Auto Trader. Lovely to drive, absolutely lovely. Effortless power. I'll show you how to set the sat-nav in a short while when I've finished the drive, how to pay mobile, how to delete a mobile, how to stream audio. When it actually comes in, because there's quite a bit of stuff in the boot at the moment. When it comes in, I'll try and remember to show you the back seat. Look, it's really nice to drive. have to watch out for motorbikers. We're way up off the road here, so you can normally see, but when the grass grows like so, it can obscure motorcyclists coming from the right hand side there. And being an ex-motorcyclist myself, I tend to try and look out for them. You see all over the hedges. It really is a lovely car. So I should have pulled over there and done the sat nav, but I'm getting carried away. It's a great car to drive. So if the video's been of any use to you, especially if you want to buy it, please do. If it's still for sale when you're watching this video, give us a like and a subscribe, a thumbs up and subscribe, ring the bell, that notifies you of any future videos when they're released. The next one, I think, well, maybe a Mercedes C-Class or a Porsche Cayman that we've just got. We're gearing up to get going again. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.